Hi, this is Richmond. Are you looking for guides and tips on how to improve your gardening or become a better gardener? Maybe you're looking for ways to stop killing your plants and make them fruit for you, make them flower for you under your care. Or maybe you are just a beginner and trying to learn more about gardening before really jumping into it. So what you're going to see in this video are very useful tips and information that has helped many gardeners, including my friends, my family, my students, to become really successful in gardening and grow their plants to their full potential. Now, these are the exact knowledge and skills that I have gained through my personal gardening experience, as well as my coaching sessions with schools, with students, with the general public, to help them set up their beautiful gardens. So these are very proven tips and strategies, and this is only one of the many videos in the entire series. So make sure you click on the subscribe button below so that you don't miss out any of these awesome videos. Now, if this is the first time you're watching my video and wonder who this guy is, click on the link below to find out more about me. Every week I upload video to my channel for you. With that said, let's dive right into it. In gardening, there will always be times that you will need to prepare new pots for your new seedlings or repotting your plants into bigger pots. In today's video, let's talk about how you should pot up a fresh pot of soil. Preparing new pots of soil is never difficult or complex. However, doing it the wrong way can lead to certain problems. You may find leaking soil from the bottom of the pot, or somehow the soil in the pot started to shrink. So let me show you how to do it the right way and avoid all these common problems. Alright, so now we're going to pot up a new pot of soil. So what we have here is a plastic pot with holes below so that the excess water can flow out. We have also gardening soil, right? Garden soil that is fertile and gritty, draining kind of soil, which is perfect for most garden plants. Right, so before we start putting the soil into the pot, we need to make sure that the holes itself are being covered up so that the soil will not drain out from below. Right, so what we can do is that we can add in something we call dried sphagnum moss. Long sphagnum moss, right? Long fiber sphagnum moss. You can get it from most nursery. Right? They are dried mosses which look something like this. Right? Dried mosses. You just dump everything in to cover up the bottom of the pot. Right? Dried sphagnum moss are very good potting media that absorbs a lot of water. Right? So you just make sure that the pot is being covered up with, right? The holes are being covered up. Okay. So this should be sufficient. So we can press it down further, right? And now we can add in the soil. Okay, so we have a small shovel over here, and we just pot everything in, right? Just put it all in. Right, so if you are repotting the soil, you are repotting the plant itself, you probably want to fill it to the halfway mark before you put in the existing plant, right? So you just separate the plant from the new pot, from the old pot into the new pot itself. Okay. If you're starting to grow from seeds or you're trying to do stem cuttings, you probably need to fill this pot all the way to the brim. So what we're going to do here is that we're going to fill it up higher than usual. That's because once you water the soil will actually collapse and will be compacted. So it's better to fill it with more soil for the first time. Right. So this is about the right amount. So you probably have to compare it just a bit. Yeah. And now you have a fresh pot of soil. Okay. It's very straightforward, very easy to do, and you have seeds. You can do some. You can plant some seedlings right now. So what you do is that you take out 1 or 2 seeds for a pot. Okay, you drop 1, 2, probably 3. Okay, and ideally the seed should be slightly below or under the soil, so you just press it in, cover it up with soil, press it in, cover it up with soil. There you go. Okay, so once this is done, you can water your plant. Right, we have just use a sprinkler, sprinkle some water. Right. Ideally, what you how much water you should water your plant is that you must make sure that the water actually flows out from the bottom of the pot. Once it can come up from the bottom of the pot, your soil is really thoroughly watered. Okay. There you go, a very fresh pot of soil with seedlings. So your seedlings will be expected to come out within like 2 to 3 weeks time. So that's it. So what have you learned from my video and how it has helped you to become a better gardener? Comment below and let me know. If you have any other gardening question you would like to ask me, you can also comment below. Don't forget, click on the subscribe button and turn on notification so that every time I upload new video, you will be notified. And if you would like to watch any of my video, make sure you check it on the right or below. I will see you in the next video.